welcome back to my channel. This is Billionara and thank you for tuning in. If you are new here and you enjoy conversations about self-improvement and you enjoy doing self-care from the comfort of your own home, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm not going to be demoing any beauty products today. I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious, super healthy, immunity boosting smoothie. With all of the crazy germs and stuff going around, we definitely need to make sure our immune systems are on point. So this smoothie is the perfect way to do this. It's packed with so many nutrients and minerals and a bunch of healthy stuff, but I promise you it's going to taste delicious. So we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to explain all of these ingredients that I have behind me, and of course they will be dropped down into the description box below. So our first and main ingredient is the triple berry medley. It has blueberries, it has blackberries, and it has raspberries in it. You can obviously find this just in the frozen section. So blueberries have one of the highest antioxidant capacities of all fruits. So that helps them to combat any free radicals that may be in your body. And if you don't know what free radicals are, free radicals can be harmful to your body because they can trigger a lot of harmful diseases as well as oxidative stress. So it's important to just make sure that you use a lot of antioxidants to combat any free radicals in your body. Blackberries are high in vitamin C and in fiber, and they can also boost your brain health. So that whole triple berry medley is very high in vitamin C, and it also tastes really good because it has all of those different fruits mixed together. Another ingredient I will be using is spinach. Spinach is also very high in vitamins, and it's very easy to disguise the taste of spinach, so you don't have to worry about your smoothie tasting like all green. Because spinach has such a mild flavor, the taste is going to kind of go away once you blend it with your fruit. Not only is spinach packed with vitamins, it also has anti-cancerous properties, and of course one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Here is a fresh ginger root. I just break a piece off and you can peel it with your spoon, which I'm going to show you later on in the video. Fresh ginger root can aid in digestion, and it also supports the immune system. I'll also be using chia seeds, black chia seeds, and these are rich in omega-3 and high in fiber. I also put a little bit of honey in my smoothie. Honey is a natural sweetener and also has amino acids and vitamins and minerals in it that aid in the absorption of cholesterol. Honey can also give you an instant energy boost that will last you throughout the day, so that's definitely a plus. Then I have my orange juice. I get the Tropicana. You can use any type of juice that you want. I personally prefer orange juice. And then I get the one with calcium and vitamin D in it, just for a little extra boost of vitamins. And then this little jar right here is my sea moss. If I can open it. So this is like kind of what it looks like. It's gel. Sea moss can serve as a good prebiotic for your gut, and it allows the good bacteria in your gut to thrive. It's also full of fiber and like very heavy in vitamins and nutrients. Over 92 different vitamins and minerals in sea moss. Sea moss can also help promote weight loss and then improve metabolism. And sea moss also possesses antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, so that can make a great healthy addition to your life. So those are all the ingredients that I will be using in my smoothie. It's about 8 different things, and they're going to make a huge difference on my immune system as well as my energy levels and just feeling healthy about myself overall. Stay tuned to see how I make this immunity boosting smoothie.
Okay, so we are going to get started, and the first thing I do is add my fruit. I add the triple berry medley about 3/4 of the way full. After I add my fruit, I add half an avocado and I dice it for an easier peel, and then it also blends a little bit easier as well. Next, I add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sea moss. The next thing I do is add ginger. I use a piece that is about 1 to 1.5 inches long, and I just break it off, and then to peel it, I use the side of my spoon and just scrape it. Next, I add honey, and I just put my desired amount into my smoothie. Following that up, I add the orange juice, and I pretty much fill that up to the max line on the cup, or just right at where my ingredients stop. Then I add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of black chia seeds. So after I've rinsed it off, I add a good handful of fresh spinach. So before I start blending, I just shake my smoothie up just to make sure that all the ingredients kind of fall downwards towards the blade. You can add more juice as necessary. If you see that it's not fully blending, add more juice. So just keep blending until it reaches your desired texture, and then you will have your smoothie. This smoothie is so good. This is the smoothie that I drink on a daily basis. It doesn't take that many ingredients, and it is so good for you. It's so tasty and doesn't even taste like how much nutrients that it has in there. The common misconception is that if something is healthy, it has to taste like nasty or it has to taste like grass. And seriously, this smoothie is so healthy and it tastes just like berries or juice. It does not taste like I put spinach in there. It doesn't taste like I put, you know, sea moss and all that stuff in it. It literally tastes like fruit. So I think that is like my favorite thing about this smoothie. It gives you a healthy start to your day without having to think about later on, like, oh my gosh, did I take vitamins? Did I eat enough vegetables? Did I have enough fruit throughout the day? You don't have to worry about that. You guys, make sure that you leave me some comments if you do end up getting the same ingredients that I use and you end up making this same smoothie. I hope that you guys really enjoy it, and I also hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up so that I know to do more videos like this in the future. If you haven't already, even though I know that you have, but if you haven't, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you can do more self-care with me in the future. So make sure that you continue to take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time.